Are you together? Yeah. Then we also have phones. So we have two types of phones. Hello? Can we have the phones? So we have two types of phones. We have the card phone, which is a basic phone that we use to call and receive calls. Okay, it's called a card phone. And then we have what we call the diamond phone. So the card phone is a basic phone just for calling and receiving calls, for sending messages and receiving messages. Are we together? It's very good because it's health friendly. It's a green phone, which means it emits very little amount of radiation. Are we together? Which is health supportive. Most of the phones we have are very dangerous to our health. Okay? Because they emit a lot of electromagnetic frequencies, which in the end bring brain tumors. Are we together? So when you have a card phone, it's a good phone. Then you have the diamond phone, which is one of the latest pieces of smartphones. Okay? It's a very nice phone. It has a dual-core CPU, has 4 lines, which 2 lines, one of them is an inbuilt GNL line, another line is a soft SIM. Okay? Then you have 2 other slots where you can put your other lines, MTN or LA, whatever. Out together. It has a GPS system that can help you locate yourself around the globe. Okay? Then it also has very high speed and also has 4.4 Android operating system. I will get it. It's such a phone. With also very slick design. Okay? So that is the phone. So the card phone goes for $98, and then the diamond phone goes for $490. For someone who is an affiliate, and for someone who is outside who is not an affiliate, buys it at $540. Okay? Then the other product we have is called value-added service. Value-added service called AdCash. Value-added service are the additional services that telecom companies provide apart from calling and sending messages. Are we together? With this one, you can have things like mobile money, it's a value-added service, internet is a value-added service. Are we together? And so many others. When it comes to GMN, our value-added service is called AdCash. And AdCash is an advertising application that you can put on your phone, you download and put on your phone, and then, thank you so much. So this is what we call our digital SIM card. Okay. This is the digital SIM card from GMN. Okay. You can put it in any phone and it works. It's not restricted to only GMN phones. Out together, whether ability, unlock it, you put it there, it works. Then we have the card phone. It's a basic phone, very small, wallet size. Okay. It's ringing. I think the thing does not ring. It's ringing, and when you answer it, you can talk. Okay? Then we have the diamond phone. Okay, this is the diamond phone I was talking about. Okay? So very classic piece. So this is the diamond one, diamond phone, and we are coming out with one of the latest tablets. You. Okay? Now, back to this. AdCash is an advertising application that you download free of charge if your phone has Android operating system, and then you can access very many adverts you need. All together. Any phone that has Android, you can download AdCash and and then have the application in your phone. Now what happens is that every time they call you, every time you receive a call, you will see the caller on top of the screen, and then the rest of the screen will be running an advert. Okay? For those big corporations that we partner with. Are we together? Are we together?
Yes.
The advert will be running. Now, every time you answer that call, when you answer that call, they pay you. You know what? They pay you money for answering what? Call. How many people have been paid for answering calls? Have they paid you yet?
Yes.
Perhaps she has been paid. She has got $1 already. Okay, because she has had cash on her phone. So every time you answer that call, you get paid. And now they give you a maximum of 4 calls a week. Okay? If you answer 4 calls a week, you are entitled to a commission of $0.2 US. $0.2 US, which is not a lot of money. Around 5 cents, right? Now what happens is that you can invite other people also and upload ad cash on their what? On their phones. So when you're uploading this ad cash, they require to have a username. And for you to have a username, you must have registered with the company. But I can give you also my username, and you can use it to put ad cash on your what? On your phone and any other phone. If it's Android, and it can download ad cash. Out together. Now what happens is that if I went out there in 1 week, the first week, I put ad cash on 10 phones. Okay? I'm going to multiply this by 0.2 because I'll be earning $0.2 per phone as long as it receives only 4 calls a week. Out together. Why? Because you cannot answer your call minus see who is calling. Possible? Many times not, right? So when you answer, they confirm that you've seen the what? Because advertisement is about people seeing. What they do with it is another thing. Okay? That's about what? See. Now, here they'll give me $2 US every single week. Every single week. As long as those guys receive only 4 phone calls. But they also want to make money. They whisper to another 10 and put ad cash on their phone. So the second week, let's say the 10 people put it on 10 phones. How many applications are those? 100 applications running, right? Adverts running. Times 0.2 means you earn how much every week? $20 US. But you cannot stop the 100 people because they also want what? Money. So week 3, the 100, we assume just put on 10 phones each. We have 1,000 applications of ad cash running. Then times 0.2. You get your $200 every single week. How many of you earn $200 every week? Do you earn $200 a week? Hello? Let's talk of the 4th week. If the 1,000, put it on 10 phones. You have how many applications? 10,000 applications times 0.2. How much are you earning? US dollars what? A week. But the 10,000 people also want money. They put it on 10 phones. You have how many? 100,000 applications running times 0.2. You get 20,000 US dollars a what? A week. Should I stop there? Okay, 6th week. The 100,000 people put it on 10 phones. How many applications? Times 0.2. How much do you earn every week? $200,000 every single week. So if someone told you to come and see money, there's a lot of money $200,000 every single one. But what did you do? What did you do? You just put add cash on how many phones?
Okay.
How many did you put on add cash? 30. She has already put on 31 phones. So you're already rocking, guys. You already what? And when she puts it, and I'm her business partner upline, I've already put on 30 phones. I've also already put on 31 phones. And every single time they receive maximum only of the week to get my money. Maximum they are going to pay you on add cash every single week is $150,000. So there's a maximum flash out of $150,000 every week. Is it good money? Is it good money? Which Mugaga earns it every week? Footballers? Some footballers are earning it. Are they doing the much work that you will be doing with that cash?
No.
Who is doing much more? The footballer. You know how many times they train in it? They don't have weekends because every weekend there's a match. But what are you doing? Monday what? Morning.